If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, brakes safely with the anti-lock braking system. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.